am making a green garden pea casserole, y'all. And I'm starting with 1/4 of a cup of butter. And I'm going to get that butter melting, and I'm going to add 1 container of sliced portobello baby mushrooms, couple of pods of garlic, and then 1 cup of diced onion. And we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. So while we're letting that cook, I just want to share with y'all a wonderful opportunity that I was just, my publishing company, Hoffman Publications, contacted me and said they wanted to run a special on my magazines with me, which I've never done before. I've never solicited or sold a magazine on my own ever before, but they told me that I could offer Cooking with Paula Deen magazine a 1-year subscription for $17.99, and that's 70% off of newsstand prices. So I was so excited because, you know, it's almost October and the holidays are quick on the heels. And if you got any gift giving to do, it's a wonderful way to give somebody a gift that, you know, it keeps on giving, just keeps on giving. Because I'm real proud of that magazine. There's some wonderful recipes in there. So this recipe is one that is from Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. So check it out. There's a link right below this that you can click on, and it will take you to the information that you might need to know about the magazine. So I am just thrilled to death. But they did tell me this is going to be for a limited time only. They didn't tell me how long I was going to be able to offer it at that price. But right now I can. But it's not going to last. So when they call and say, no, can't do it anymore, then it'll be over. But if y'all want a good magazine, you know, I know millennials, they use equipment. But I like to have something to hold, you know, and look at and sit down and go back to it if there was something I wanted to check out. So, but that's me. I just have a feeling, though, that y'all would really, really enjoy the magazine. And it does make a great gift. All right, now our butter's melted, so I'm going to stir in our baby portobello mushrooms. And I'm going to stir in our garlic. Eddie, did you see last night I went to get a dome to cover up the fried pies that I cooked?
Yeah, there's a little piece missing.
Yes, listen, I picked it up and then I did like this, you know, just to make sure I had a good hold on it last night. And all of a sudden a chunk fell out of it. Those were in the first Paula Deen retail store. And I loved them. It came 3 to a set, you know, all different size domes. And I just loved it. And I wanted to cry. Yeah, so I left it on the counter so you could, yeah. I left it on the counter so that you could see that it was truly gone, not misplaced. All right, let's see, what am I cooking this at? I'm going to bump that up to medium high. And I'm going to cook these for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to stir in some flour. And that flour will help thicken this casserole. And I do love these green peas. I love canned green peas too, but these are like a different set of dogs, you know. They just taste so different. Okie doke. So 5 minutes. And then we start doing some more stuff. Okay, y'all, that has been cooking about 5 minutes. The next thing I'm gonna do is sprinkle flour over our mushrooms and onions and garlic. And stir that together, and that's gonna make our pea casserole kind of thick and creamy. All right, so you just want to stir that and make sure all that flour is incorporated into your ingredients. And now I'm going to add salt, sugar, black pepper, and nutmeg. Nutmeg is so good in creamy sauces, don't you think? So good. Okay, so we're just gonna stir that up. And now I'm gonna add 1 pint of half and half. I'm gonna do it kind of slowly because I don't want it to lump. I want it to come together on the slow side. Oh, and the best part is going to be coming up soon. Okay. We're going to let this cook for 5 or 6 minutes. Let that thicken up. And then I will sample it to see if it needs any more salt or pepper or garlic. And then the things that's going to make it so yummy. And that would be our cheeses. It's going to make it so like cheese is going to just string through it. You'd never know I'm hungry, which I'm starving. I don't think I've eaten today. Oh, I did. I had a apple pie. Y'all, this is very, very, very tasty. Now everything's been put in and it's nice and smooth. And the next thing I'm gonna add is our cheeses. I'm gonna add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of Swiss cheese. Look at it when you stick your fork in it and pick it up and put it in your mouth. The cheese is gonna just string down from it. Oh, and it's gonna be so good. So it didn't taste like it needed any more seasonings to me, but I'm going to check it now that the cheese is in it, because that could, oh look, see, it's starting to do its thing. I love it when it does its thing. I don't think it needs a thing. Now I'm going to add the frozen green peas. Look at that little green bean. Got stuck in there. Now we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven. Look, see how the cheese is, Eddie? It looks like a spider web. Look. I love it. I wish my grandchildren would eat this, but I bet.
Not happening. It's green.
No, it's green. They would like it though if they'd just try it. But I know they won't.
I said not happening.
All right. That looks so good. The recipe goes into a 350-degree oven, and it said to bake it for 35 to 50 minutes. I don't think it's going to need that much cooking time.
When do these go on top?
Those go on top the last 5 minutes of cooking. Oh. Doggies. Want to get every bit of that melted cheese out of there. Okay, now the pan that I put it in, I sprayed it so it won't stick. And 5 minutes before it's done, y'all, I am gonna top it with the French fried onion rings. And it's gonna be very good to have that crunch on top. But you know, they cook very, very quickly. Very quickly, because they're done, they just have to get hot. So, last 5 minutes. And that's it. I think y'all are gonna like this and want to add it to your, oh, thank you, Teresa. And add it to your rotation, because it's good. It's time to put our onions on. Whoa. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Oh, shut up, little oven. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, because these will burn up in 2 seconds. Two of my grandchildren just came in, John and Henry, and they said they are starving. So, this has got green in it, so I bet they won't eat it. Okie doke. 2 minutes. The sweet pea casserole is ready, y'all. And remember, this is a recipe from the magazine. And I just want to remind you, if I even said it in the start of this video, I might not have, but Hoffman Publishing Company that publishes Cooking with Paula Deen magazine contacted me and said that they would like for me to run a special. They said it wouldn't be forever, but run a special on my magazines, a year's subscription for $17.99. And y'all, that is 70% off of the normal price. So there's a link at the bottom of this video if you want to check it out. It makes a wonderful gift. And it's just chock full of wonderful recipes. So hope you'll check it out. You can't beat the deal. So this is the sweet pea casserole. The hot sweet pea casserole. It really tastes good. You know, your frozen green peas lend such a different flavor than the canned peas, you know, as we know them Growing up, Mama saying, eat your peas. Eat your peas, please. But I think y'all will like this. And, it's a do ahead. Just don't put the onion rings on top until the last 3 or 4 minutes of your baking. So check out Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, $17.99. I think I'm going to order some. And I can give them as gifts. Y'all have a great day. Love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.